Okay, so we have a day without rain. We're gonna try to identify where our last leak is here on the RV today. If we cannot find this, John has said he's burning the camper down tonight. That's where we're at with this. Okay, so I'm gonna start spraying first at this window that is kind of set wonky. It's been caulked to high heaven. I don't know how it could possibly leak, but
Stop. Stop. Okay, we need to spray.
Oh, I thought I did. Okay.
There's water leaking.
Where's it leaking?
But in it's hot, but I don't know if it's from there because you were spraying there.
Okay.
Or over here.
All right, I'm worried we just start gonna spray here.
In one area. So now if it leaks, I don't know if it's leaking.
Hey John, how about if you do this? How about if you do the spraying and I'll stay on the inside and tell you if it's leaking? How about that? Great.
Now is it's not leaking.
I know that.
But it was just a second ago. But there's water in there now. So it was right through here.
So dry it.
I did. That's why it's not leaking.
Okay.
All right.
Leak. Leak, 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 leak. From two spots, I think.
Well, it's all one leak.
Leak, leak, leak.
Yeah. So dry it off.
Here.
But see, there's a little water there.
No, I think it's leaking from here.
Folks, we found the leak.
The last line of the chorus is a pun. You imbecile, that was very clever. Thanks, buddy. You're stuck in the underground, thanks to the fall. Good luck ever getting out. Prepare to brawl. You could show mercy to us, or turn all of us to dust. Is your heart full of evil, or full of love? I, the great papyrus, challenge you to try getting by us. Test the human with one of your puzzles. Brilliant sands that will leave him befuddled. I dare you to try a bite of spaghetti. Smells like the creepy pasta's ready. Stop it, Sands, I'm done with the joking. Sounds like someone's funny bone broken.
See, that's the problem. You get up here, you're going to be spraying.
Told you. It's up there. Try squirting up
Or is it
there.
right here? I'm going to just spray this area. See if I can get that area without getting this area.
I mean to shield it?
We're narrowing it down. No, don't shield. That's a good sign, isn't it? Seems like.
No, I say try it there.
So is this gasket? It already has something. Yeah,
Told you.
so it's going.
I knew it was there.
But what's weird is it seems like it's going up that.
Must be. Unless if it's going down there.
Alright, so we just need to cuff this underseam.
Yep.
Maybe do that over again. Okay.
Co-reaction or a culture can't debug. Got a case of fish and love. She's always turning to violence. I'm always turning to science. She's so determined, she's timeless. And I'm so nervous and silent. What if she finds out I'm lying? What if she sends me home crying? Why can't I just be